My body is my language. My movement is my expression. Every step I take is an unbreakable promise that shapes the world. I am free to define myself. Breaking norms, resisting gravity, inertia, all the rules, and every expectation. I listen closely to what my body is telling me. Extend, bend, twist, turn, flip, and land. Feel the movements of my ankles, knees, thighs, shoulders, and arms. Screaming and shouting out loud. Don't lose focus. Don't second guess. Don't hold back. For my body has all the freedom to move, to express. With the many roles in life, every step doesn't need to be precise. I leave my fears behind. Let this moment be filled with nothing but strength and beauty. Move to your own rhythm. LYCRA fiber.